Well, yeah, it started to snow already. Wasn't this much earlier, but it's gonna snow, wet snow. It's pretty much sticking on me already. But it just disappeared. It's also windy. Kind of tell, I don't know. They say it might be go to 1-3 inches. Yeah. Look at me, look at me, look at me, yeah! Feel like a 10-year-old kid again, except with snow, like 10 years ago, yay! Ah, still, it's an awesome thing though. I'm a little concerned about the trees, if it gets like kind of heavy or something, because take out the cables and power outages and yep, we'll be done. At least for a few days, I don't know, a week or two, but yeah, still. Uh, in the background you can see the wow, this the main street, the Broadway all down there, and yet we're still over here. Anyway, and yet still it's kind of awesome. It's kind of windy here, you see.